Hey guys, today we're down here in Jackson, Missouri with Southern Stone. We're trying to help them out with some power issues they got. We've been working on some of their Bell dump trucks, trying to put the new 16-liter Mercedes, get a little bit more power. We're out here working on some excavators they've got. We've got some Hitachi loaders, Hyundai loaders we're working on, so it's really cool stuff. Um, some of the Hitachi loaders got a big Isuzu 15.7-liter engine. We're able to pick it up a couple miles an hour. We were making a new module for the B50E, a B50E Bell truck. It's got the 16-liter Mercedes. We were able to pick them up another gear coming out of this big quarry, and they went from 5 mile an hour to almost 10 mile an hour coming out of the hole. So they're really excited about this. They got a whole fleet of these things. They really love our products down here, so we love helping them out. We're on a 470G John Deere excavator right here. It's got the 13.5 Tier 4. This one we had a module on here for a while. We're doing some upkeep on it. The zip ties had broke. Some of the connectors are having some issues, so we're going to repair that, zip tie it all up, get these back going. This excavator's down right now because of a hydraulic line bust, but that gives us some opportunity to get on it while they're not using it. So we'll get them up and running on that side of it. Southern Stone is part of the 5S group. They're based out of Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and that down there they do a lot of dirt work. They've got 18 645 New Holland four-wheel drive tractors they pull double dirt pans with. We got boxes on all those. They're telling us that they're saving somewhere around 20 to 30 gallons a day with those, and they're able to move more material than they were before. So they are static. As soon as they get new ones, they're begging for chips for those as fast as we can get them to them. So pretty exciting. They're a huge outfit. They cover about 4 states, and we're glad to partner with.